right, day 2 begins. We're starting our walk now. We just left the little albergue or hostel that we were
at 7 a.m.
At 7 a.m.
We were a little late because of breakfast, but it's okay.
And there was a nice sunrise.
It was really pretty. I got to take a lot of pictures.
Early in the morning, started the walk. It's I think it's a 24 kilometer walk this morning. The views are gonna be awesome. The mare, she went up ahead because she walks a little bit slower, so she left walking, so she's got like an hour and a half advantage on us.
We're gonna catch up to her.
But we're gonna catch up to her.
Fine.
We'll get there. And then Dana and Amaris are right in front of us. Just a few steps. So we'll get in there. So, how'd you sleep last night?
You know, it was like hot, and then so we turned on the air, and then we shut off the air because it got really cold.
The air? What do you mean? The air conditioning?
That didn't work.
That didn't work.
But
okay.
Worked at night. I think it was just the temperature at night. It wasn't the air conditioning.
Okay.
But we slept good for the most part. We had to sleep at like 11:30 though.
Oh, ooh, that's late.
All of us had to take showers.
Yes.
It took a while. We didn't want to stink.
There's a car, so you gotta be careful when you're walking, because they drive fast here. Woo. Oh yeah. Here we go.
There's an animal in the back of that car.
Yes. So we're gonna keep on walking up there, and we'll show you some views of the Pyrenees. So here we go. Day 2 just started. Le Coquille Napoleon, and it's right in the Camino, and it's just about a mile off Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port. We were gonna stay there, but it was full. But there are 3 places that I recommend to stay. This is one of them. The other one is actually up in the mountains, called Ferme y Zurbiria, which is very expensive, and the lady is not as nice, but it's very close to the road. The food was good. And then the other one is Horizon, but Horizon doesn't have a lot of beds. I don't know, I think it's 7 kilometers up the road. Ferme y Zurbiria, which is about 5, and then La Coquille Napoleon, which is about 2 kilometers in there. Yeah. And that way you get a head start on the second day. Or if you want to do the whole 24K or 27K,
I mean, hey.
If you're in good shape, then go for it. But I don't know, I'd rather stop in there. So we made it to the first fork of the road. Beautiful views out there. Look at the views. And Anita, she's back there somewhere.
I'm right here.
How you doing, Anita? You good? So, take a look at Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port. And there, we're walking. It's starting to rain a little bit, but not much, so it's still dry. How you guys doing?
I'm tired.
You tired?
Yeah.
I'm burning.
You're burning? What do you mean you're burning, Donna?
My thighs are burning.
Your thighs are burning. Oh. So yeah, it's tough.
When it's uphill, it's mostly just your thighs working.
Yes.
Well, my knees hurt.
Your knees hurt?
Yeah.
Oh. How about you, Marima?
It's good soccer practice.
Good soccer practice. Oh yeah.
Not soccer practice, but soccer workout.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh boy. All right, here we go. Folks, which here's an example that the Pyrenees are not to be taken lightly. So while the views are beautiful and the scenery is unparalleled, nevertheless, you have to be in shape. Not the greatest of shape, but you have to be in shape and you have to be very careful. But the Camino is something to enjoy. And now we're going to the top of the mountain.
Roncesvalles, and we are in the middle of nowhere, and I don't know, maybe it will be rainy, and we are hungry, and we are, oh my god, I don't know where we are.
Tu sei d'Italia, no?
Sì, io sono italiano.
Sono italiano.
Mi chiamo Giuseppe.
Giuseppe.
È stato molto bello fare nuove conoscenze qui. È bello conoscere nuovi amici del Porto Rico, ma in New Jersey.
Ma in New Jersey.
Ok. I'm Italian.
Tu sei della città di Venezia.
Io sono di Venezia e vi aspetto, venitemi a trovare. I will show you my country, my city, my district. And if you like to, I will show you my truck.
And everything we got in there. we have about 13 chilometri a Roncesvalles.
Sì, ci mancano, però stiamo bene.
Stiamo bene.
Stiamo bene, è la prima tappa di questo lungo viaggio. Siamo già amici forever.
No, però è tua la seconda etapa.
Es la mia seconda tappa, la primera es l'anno che fu, l'anno el 2018. La segunda está aquí porque el camino me llama.
Sí.
Es muy fuerte los caminos.
El primer año es muy fuerte.
El primer año no sabía cosa, what I expect to have into the Camino, because my friend, I want to go to Ibiza or maybe a party island. Then my colleague said to me, oh, try the Camino. I say, oh my god, me in the Camino, what I can do in the Camino? I'm used to make party. And I try, and like now I can stop.
Now the Camino calls you, and now you're at the Camino.
Yeah.
I think that's what happens. The Camino calls all of us.
Yeah. I found, I don't know, maybe the answer, maybe not, but I found great people everywhere.
Yes,
for sure.
Many countries too.
Many countries.
Yes.
Oh, like listening to where all the people go, and then we're all here walking. Yeah.
So it's. I like it.
La magia del Camino.
La magia del Camino. And how far are you gonna go?
Oh, I will stop, I think, in Lyon.
Lyon?
The middle of Spain. 500 kilometers from Saint-Jean. And I will go to meet a friend in Santiago. Because in 2018 I met this guy in his family. He's a teacher and lives in Santiago. And I decided to reach him in Santiago de Compostela.
Okay.
By train, but this way.
Not as a pilgrim.
Not
this year.
Oh, my fault. But I don't have enough time to make the entire Camino in one time.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a firefighter.
You're a firefighter?
Yeah.
In Venezia?
In Venice, yeah.
Oh.
And my colleagues say to me, oh, you are crazy, you're going the second time. What are you looking for? I don't know, just maybe freedom.
Yes.
Oh, living good with good people. I'm happy to find always good person, good people. And I can say, do this Camino.
Yes.
Do this Camino. Try. Don't be scared. Just prepare your backpack and walk.
Prepare light.
Oh, and with you bring with you a drone and
And a camera,
a camera.
and all the equipment. Oh, so check this out. Right here, check it out. Look. It says Saint Jacques de Compostela, 765 kilometers. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. So this was also called the Napoleon route because Charlemagne and Napoleon also, with all these troops, they came through here to try to invade Spain. And over here we have the Fountain of Roland. You want to drink water?
I have a water bottle right here.
And there's Wi-Fi. We're just crossing the border now. So let's go. We're in France right now. All right, Marima. Where are you now?
Spain.
She's in Spain. All right.
That's not how you do it. Now we're in France. Now we're in Spain.
That's how you do it. Anita.
I'm in France.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in Spain and France.
Oh, that's unique. All right, here we go. We're crossing. All right, we just crossed over, and now we are in España. Olé!